Forget everything you think you know about Europe today. We're on a mission to find the absolute best places to live on the continent. We're not just talking about weekend getaways, but cities where you can actually build an amazing life. We analyze thousands of data points to create the ultimate ranking for 2025, judging cities on happiness, safety, affordability, and quality of life. Some of these cities will shock you, and the number one spot is practically perfect. Let's jump in and discover the top 5 cities changing the game in Europe. Number 5 is Copenhagen, Denmark, a real-life utopia where happiness is the norm. Bikes outnumber people, and the city is designed for cycling, making commuting a breeze. Copenhagen is on track to be carbon neutral with wild innovations like ski slopes on power plants. The culture is vibrant, from world-class restaurants to cozy cafes filled with hygge, that unique Danish coziness. Safety and community are everywhere, and the city invests in its people. The only downside? It's expensive, which keeps it from ranking higher. But if you can afford it, the quality of life is unmatched. Living here is like winning the life lottery, just with more bikes and better pastries. Copenhagen sets a high bar for our countdown. Ready for number 4? Let's go. Number 4 is Vienna, Austria, a city that blends imperial beauty with modern efficiency. Vienna's public transport is legendary, clean, punctual, and so affordable you can get anywhere for about €1 a day. The city offers high-culture think palaces, operas, and grand coffee houses without the high price tag. It's packed with museums, parks, and a welcoming vibe that's never pretentious. Vienna is also one of the safest cities in the world, adding to its unbeatable quality of life. The only catch? It can feel a bit traditional compared to other cities. But for stability, beauty, and affordability, Vienna is nearly impossible to beat. It's a masterclass in living well. On to number 3. Number 3 is Amsterdam, Netherlands, a city pulsing with creativity and innovation. Amsterdam is a haven for free spirits with a culture that celebrates individuality and inclusivity. Work-life balance is real here, with many people working 4-day weeks and prioritizing well-being. The city's canals and historic charm blend seamlessly with a booming tech and startup scene. You'll find co-working spaces in old warehouses and a collaborative, not cutthroat atmosphere. Biking over centuries-old bridges to meetings about the future is just another day in Amsterdam. The downside? It's pricey, and the housing market is tough. But if you can make it work, the lifestyle is unparalleled. Amsterdam is where creativity and quality of life meet. Let's see what city takes the number 2 spot. Number 2 is Zurich, Switzerland, the definition of modern efficiency and natural beauty. The city is spotless with a lake so clean you can swim in it and the Alps as your backdrop. Public transport is flawless, freeing up your time to enjoy life. Zurich is a global financial hub offering high salaries and attracting talent from around the world. It's cosmopolitan, diverse, and invests heavily in public services and culture. The catch? Zurich is one of the most expensive cities on the planet, but if your career matches the cost, you get unmatched safety efficiency and quality of life. Everything here is done to the highest standard. Zurich is living in easy mode if you can afford the price. Now, the moment you've been waiting for, number 1. The best city to live in Europe for 2025 is Lisbon, Portugal. Lisbon combines high quality of life with a low cost of living. You can enjoy fresh seafood, charming trams, and affordable housing. The city is stunning, with cobblestone streets, colorful tiles, and breathtaking views over the Tagus River. With nearly 300 sunny days a year, life here is lived outdoors, surfing, sipping coffee, or soaking up the golden light. Lisbon's vibe is laid back and welcoming, with a growing international community that hasn't lost its authentic soul. The food is legendary, the history is rich, and the people are warm. Lisbon hits every mark: culture, safety, weather, and affordability. It's the ultimate package for anyone looking to build a great life in Europe. Lisbon is the undisputed champion. Ready to pack your bags? There you have it. Copenhagen, Vienna, Amsterdam, Zurich, and Lisbon. These cities prove you don't have to choose between a great career and a great life. Each offers a unique vision for urban living, from Copenhagen's sustainability to Lisbon's sunshine. Which city would you move to tomorrow? Let me know in the comments. If you enjoyed this countdown, hit like, share, and subscribe for more adventures. See you in the next video!